Hello friends.
Welcome to my channel, Papa and Pankhuri Show.
So friends, here we are coming up with another video. So Chotilal, I've taken your GK test already. Today I am going to take your English test. Okay? Your English test for your Olympiad. Okay? Are you ready for it?
Yes.
So it's going to be easy today. I am just going to ask you 10 questions.
Okay.
How many questions? Just 10 questions, and there will be 2 rounds. 5 questions in each round. If you answer 4 correctly out of 5, you'll be eligible to take 1 gift.
Okay.
High five? High five? High five?
No.
Let's do it. Question number first is on your screen now. Not on TV screen. Okay?
Yes.
Listen to the question carefully. Which is the only thing you can read? Your options are piano, book, cheese, cake.
Book.
Awesome. Second question. Which is a part of leg? Elbow. Your options are elbow, knee, fingers, wrist.
Knee.
Wow. Today you seems to be even quicker.
Yes.
Good, good. Question number 3. Which is the only thing you can smell? Only thing that you can smell.
Yes.
Light, music, flower, movies.
Flower.
It's an easy one.
That was easy.
Yes. Question number 4. Which is the only thing you can eat? Okay. Your options are broccoli, sadness, news reports, text messages.
Broccoli.
And what is that? What is broccoli?
That is a vegetable.
Is it a vegetable or fruit?
Vegetable.
You sure about it?
Yes.
Fantastic.
I know it.
Question number 5. Last question from the first round. Where do meteors come from? Your options are shopping center, garden, space, school. Tricky one. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Think about it. Take it. Take 5 seconds. You want me to read the question again?
Yes.
Where do meteors come from? Shopping center, garden, space, school.
Space.
Is it a guess or have you read it?
I have read it.
You have read it.
Yes.
And I must tell you, you read it correctly, Beba. Fantastic. Give me my 5 out of 5 again. Take one. Pick one gift. Pick one.
Baby, this time it also depends on your luck.
Yes.
What did
Beba,
you
we are
get?
sorry about it. This time,
One more.
no. We'll give you chance, but you will have to give me answer. Okay? No, we'll give you. Should we, let me ask to audience, should we give her one more chance to pick the gift or should I continue with the second round? Audience?
Okay, I will decide.
Yes.
Okay.
So tell me.
Yeah, you can get another chance.
Okay, then take another chance. Oh, wow.
Now I will do
What is this?
almonds.
Great.
Good.
Good. So this is very healthy. So let me ask you, so almonds have which vitamin? Is it vitamin D or vitamin E? Almonds have which vitamin?
Vitamin D.
No. This is wrong answer. You're not going to get more almond. I'm just kidding. So almonds have vitamin E, Beba. Okay, which is very good for your skin. Anyway, let's come to the second round. Okay, which is the last round, by the way. I'm going to ask you tough questions. The topic for these questions are going to be from spoken and written expression. That is going to be the topic that I'm going to ask question from. Okay, spoken and written expression. First questions is your way. Donald is speaking to AB. Thanks for such a lovely dinner. AB is replying to Donald. Anytime, you are dash. And your options are home now, happy here, Always welcome, never away from here. What will you say?
Always welcome.
Yeah.
I eat when my energy is high.
Oh, your energy is high. Good, good, good. So you are saying that you are able to answer because of almond?
Yes.
Yes, I agree. But I can see that you are prepared really well. Good job. Question number 2. Emma is talking to Fred. Hey Fred, I was given a new computer for my birthday. Fred is replying to Emma. Wow. Dash, do you use it? Your options are: how often do you use it? How about do you use it? How come do you use it? How many do you use it?
How about? I'm confused.
You want to hear the question again?
Question again.
Emma is talking to Fred. I was given a new computer for my birthday. Fred is saying, wow. Dash, do you use it? And your options are, tell me the correct option. Your options are: how often, how about, how come, how many.
How about?
Wrong answer. Okay. So, but again, you will get more chance. But you will be eligible for these gifts only if you tell me 4 correct answer out of 5. Now you cannot tell me any more wrong. If you tell me any more wrong, then you will not be eligible for these gifts, Chodala. So be careful. Listen to the question carefully. Question number 3. Peggy, I have to go to the shops. Dash, can you do the washing up, please? And your options are or, and, also, so.
So.
Good answer. Question number 4. Dad is saying to Eric, good morning, Eric. Eric is replying to Dad, morning, Dad. Do you still want me to collect dash those leaves? Your options are: few those leaves, all those leaves, any those leaves, many those leaves.
All those leaves.
Good answer. Now question number 5, which is the last question. If you tell me the correct answer, you will be eligible for this gift. Question number 5, second round, last question. आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर ये रहा. Greg, I really like our new math teacher. Alice is saying to Greg, me too. She really understands what to dash in the class, what to teach in the class, what to teaches in the class, taught in the class, teaching in the class. So
Teach.
You sure?
Yes.
Deva, let me tell you. You should have taken some time. This answer is absolutely right. Take one gift. Which one you want to take now? This one? This one?
No,
This one? You sure?
Yes.
Cool da sim sim. So wow. I'm sorry about it. So this is biscuits. Anyway, keep it. So good job done by you, Chodulal. I'm done with your test, by the way. You have done a good job in this English test also. You prepared really well. But there was one wrong answer. Just need to be careful. You need to listen to the questions carefully. Also the options carefully. Okay? Otherwise you would have been, be able to give me even that one correct. But anyway, good job. Overall good job. So I'm done with your test.
Thank you, Papa.
It's my pleasure. Always my pleasure.
If you like the video, please share, subscribe and click the bell icon. You will have all the notifications.
Yes, friends, thank you so much from bottom of our heart. I mean, you guys have been supporting Pankhudi really well. Okay, so thank you so much for that great support and love. Keep subscribing and showing your love, and we'll keep putting our best efforts to entertain you and to give you a lot of stuff on the education side, gaming side, and we'll make funny videos as well. So thank you so much. And our favorite
I
step.
need to say one thing.
Yes, please.
If these are कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
Yes, it is similar to Kaun Banega Crorepati. That was the format, but the
Options column.
purpose of this video, I really wanted to make sure that you have prepared for your exam really well.
Yes.
Okay, because you're having your Olympiad exam just next week. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.